from London International Airport, or actually Heathrow, and about to get on the tube. Anyway, so I'm here, and it's very intimidating to get on the train, but just do it. And you just buy a thing called an Oyster card, and then you get on. So I'm gonna pack up here because I'm gonna be around a lot of people, and wish you the best of luck. I have a lot of exits and turns and stuff. Luckily somebody helped me through that. So I was about to ride on the taxi, and somebody said it'd be 25 pounds, but it ended up being 60. So 65. So now are we gonna do the train? Okay. To buy the, I guess you just buy the oyster and go for it. That's fine. Okay, so where are you going? I'm going to Central Park Hotel. It's right above Hyde Park.
Hyde Park is a big park. Do you know your nearest station?
It's like
Bayswater.
There's a picture of it. It is.
Lancaster Gate or
it should be
Bayswater.
Bayswater. Yeah.
That's here. Quite literally, it's
Yeah.
the way to travel.
Okay.
So it's $5 for the card. You add money. When you're here for 5 days, I would put about 30. But to start with something like 15, and then you can always put more money, and you can always refund what you put.
Okay.
So now put 15. When it runs out, whether it's today or tomorrow or when you come back, you add more at any station. And whenever you're leaving London forever, give the card back or leave it.
So that was confusing as ever. I'm not really good at traveling or not good at directions. So there's that. Yay! We're about to go on the train. Ah! Aren't you excited? I am. Alright, we gotta go now. Oh my gosh. That's why everything takes me so long. We're going down, down, down. Yay! While we're on there? Oh, to get on. Okay, thank you. Okay. I got pretty lost. The tube thing's pretty confusing, but it's the cheapest way. I would say plan it out first before you come all your destinations, which I did. I have an itinerary, so I'm gonna go back and make sure I plan it out everywhere I go before I do that. Public transportation, it's really fun. If you ever want to do a trip by yourself, do it. It's super confusing. Do you see all those lines? Like, that is the way that you get around. Or you can use a taxi. But it's so much cheaper to get from the airport, like the Heathrow airport, to it. It's cheaper to get all around. You use an Oyster card, and it's only $10 a day max that they'll charge you to use it. So traveling for $10 a day, like I went on a taxi ride and it cost $14. So it'll never go over $10 a day. and I don't even end up using that. Usually each trip's maybe like $2 or something, and you'll go like, you know, 30 minutes away. So the Oyster card's great. Use a tube, but figuring it out, I can explain it to you in another video. It's pretty confusing. I think I've pretty much figured it out enough to try to help you out here. Think positive though when you're going on the tube. If you're from America, in Florida we don't really have public transportation, so there's that. Which I think it's super fun because all you have to think about it is, hey, don't have a bad time. If you're gonna use this public transportation way, think of it as a perk, because at least for me in the US and in Florida, I don't actually have, you know, like such of a thing. So I just think of it as, this is a bonus if I get there, versus getting like sad if I don't. Yeah, public transportation, it's really fun. If you ever want to do a trip by yourself, do it. Love you guys. You want to take one? Thank you. Alright. That thing's heavy too. Thank you so much. Alright. I guess they stopped the lift things that everywhere. Oh, there's not. Okay. Thank you.
It's very heavy.
Yeah. Right. I'm like, this is gonna be challenging. All right, cool. I wonder how handicapped people do it. Thank you.